Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use gestures to copy, cut, paste, undo, redo, or to bring up the shortcut menu. Now, I have some text here already in my notes. So in order for you to use the copy and paste functions, you need to open up an app that has the ability to edit text. So this one here, notes. So what you want to do is first select the text that you want to copy to the clipboard. So you can use the three fingers and then pinch in, and that will copy the text. And you can see I just need to pinch in and say copy. So pinch in like that, and it will copy to the clipboard. And if you want to cut the text, you can use the three finger to double pinch. So pinch it twice like this, and you can see the text will now cut. And if you want to undo, you can use the three finger and swipe left like this. So that's undo. You can see it say undo right there, and double pinch will cut it. And then undo, you can just use the three fingers and swipe it to the left. Now if you swipe it to the right, that will redo. So you can see it say redo right there. That's undo, and three fingers swipe it to the right will be redo and undo. And then just pinch it in once, that will be copy. Pinch it in twice, it will cut the text. So to paste, you have to use three fingers and then pinch out like this. You can see it say paste. So if I go down here and press on the return, pinch out, and that will paste the text from the clipboard. And if you want to bring up the clipboard or the shortcut, not the clipboard but the shortcuts menu, what we can do is just tap on it with three fingers like this, and that will bring up the menu right here. And from the menu you can choose redo, or you can cut the text. We can select the text and then bring up the menu like that, and then cut, paste, and other function as well. And that's it. So that's how you can use gestures to perform copy, cut, paste, undo, redo, or bring up the shortcut menu. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.